Hadian ba ki Samla Pule jong ka Jylla Meghalaya kila ur bar kila khnyum ha ka bayadei bar ki jingle thurmur na ka Jingpule ka examen Central University entrance test dangshen Nakaliang U Commissioner and Secretary Katanat Pule Puthi ka Sarkar Meghalaya Syed Muhammad A Razi ula pentip baling ba ka jing shimkhia jong menteri rang ba ka Jylla u konrat ki sangma na pelat ya ki Samla Pule ban Iakhun ya ka Central University entrance test tang na ka bynta ki college Kiba ha ka Jylla Meghalaya ki Samla Pule ki ba ang nur ban Bteng ki Jingpule ki college ki baran ki Kiwei pat ki Jylla jong ka ri India ki hab ban Iakhun bet ya ka Central University entrance test Haga jing ekran bakilat pathai Khubor haga lai photarik ujamang arja apusa urazi ulayat hu baha usnem arja apusan ka sarkar kan se ekran bat ka National Testing Agency ban pelong ya ka examen Central University entrance test ka bayad bet yarinti
center where we saw that they were not in a position to deal with the number of students who were appearing for the test. There were not enough biometric machines. So even this was reviewed by the very next day. Honorable CM called for a meeting. NTA officials were summoned. NEHU officials were there. From the education department, we were there. And from what we could understand, there are 2-3 issues here. First of all, state government, like education department, we had designated a nodal officer from our side, which was director of school education, Mr. Tembe, as the nodal for CUET, and he was in constant touch with the different schools. He had already coordinated and he was in touch with NTA, but for reason best known to NTA, they decided not to select those centers. We don't know why. So whatever preparation which was made by Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, that was not given due cognizance by NTA. They chose their own centers. And what NEHU officials informed us that the problems occurred primarily on account of delay in communication between the two agencies, between NEHU and NTA, and not enough infrastructure, test-related infrastructure, which is biometric machines and all, being in place, and they were not given enough preparation time. And since the number of test takers in NEHU was much higher, therefore this problem happened. We have taken up this matter on directions of Honorable CM. We have taken up this matter with NTA. CM personally is also taking up so that there is no recurrence of this kind of problem again. Work on, because from the concerned directorates in the education department, the higher secondary school principals, and they were made aware well in time that CUT will be required for admission to colleges this year. So, and that awareness was given to the schools, to the principals, and I'm given to understand that it was also passed on to the students. Now, the reason that students did not register, or after registering did not appear for CUET, we had a discussion with the council of principals here only. We called several principals and we had a detailed discussion, deliberation with them, and there were some issues which were highlighted, however, which were like they were not confident of taking the test, and there were issues regarding CUET being based on different syllabi and those issues. So from this year we'll try to start the awareness process much earlier, have a more detailed awareness, and it will be targeted towards students who are desirous of seeking admission outside in the university, which have CUET as mandatory. Is to be issued by UGC, and we have on our part, we have completed the documentation. They have admitted the application initially, so without any objection. So we are very hopeful that I cannot really put an exact number on it, what will be the time taken, but we are very hopeful that we should receive this 2F notification within a couple of months. Are still valid for admissions to other central universities, other deemed universities, other private universities, and other state universities even, which have opted for CUET-based admissions. So our students who are seeking admission outside the state will, these CUET scores will be required for that. This exemption is only for admission to colleges in Meghalaya who are affiliated to NEHU.